This is filled with like at least a pound of baking soda. Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. Today we are going to be doing a baking soda vinegar blow-up balloon experiment. These are the things you will need: baking soda, white vinegar, balloons, bottles, food coloring is optional, and funnels are also optional. First, you're going to fill the balloons with baking soda. You put the funnel into the hole of the balloon, push it all the way up, then you get the baking soda and dump it into the funnel. So you're going to take your finger and then push the baking soda in. You don't have to use your finger, just wiggle the funnel. Now that you've done that, you're going to take your bottles and fill them with vinegar. You can use a funnel if you'd like. You're just going to pour the vinegar. I feel like I kind of don't need it for this, so.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
My mind was on autopilot. Now, it's time to add food coloring. Uh-oh, looks like I'm part avatar for this episode. Now, we add the balloons onto the top. It's time for the big guy. I'm honestly so scared for the big one. I'm literally shaking in my boots, and I'm not even wearing boots. It's time for the first one. Uh-oh!
Cover your eyes with the goggle one.
It's gonna blow. I seriously thought it was gonna blow. Oh! 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 Wow. Number 3. The baking soda's not really going in. Oh!
Why are you screeching? You scared?
Yes.
That wasn't that big.
Oh! Mommy! Mommy, why?
That has a hole in it.
That was crazy.
It got wet.
That was crazy. Mommy,
Yeah.
look, all I saw was this. I'm freaking out.
How cool.
Yeah, that was like second to big one. Feel the dread. is this thing gonna go? Gardeners, it's time for the big one. Honestly, my hands are sticky and sweaty. Gardeners, honestly, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. This is filled with like at least a pound of baking soda.
Girl, pick up the balloon. Hold it up, hold it up. Hold it up.
I'm trying. It's bigger than my head. Of course I'm shocked. It freaked me out. When the vinegar and baking soda mix, that creates an invisible gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what we exhale. That gas can't stay in the bottle for long, so it rises up, which makes the balloon blow up. And that is how the baking soda and vinegar blow-up balloon experiment works. This is Polly, this is Rolly, and this is Oli. Bye, gardeners. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Enjoy your balloons.